So this is my Ps4. Nothing. This is the screen I was on before I did this. Gotta pull a cord. Okay. So for those of you who have a blue light of death, we're pretty much not able to fix it. I fixed it, I found a way to fix it, and this is what happens. So I guess I have a defective PS3. So let's see if it works. So unfortunately, I had to pull the plug with the white light on, which you're not supposed to do. So it looks like it's restarting. Okay. Working again. Let's see what happens. By the way, I had the blue light of death for a while, like 3 days, until I went on the internet. Finally, after fiddling with it for a lot of times, I just quit. Just a couple hours ago, I did the 7-second reboot, and it actually finally worked. It never went to safe mode. Finally worked. I pressed restart system, that didn't work. So it's just fucking screen's flashing, man. Look at that. It's ridiculous. Make sure the Hdmi is secured. Yeah, so pull the plug in. Alright, so now that is the PlayStation cord it came with. I'm going to try changing it, and we'll see what happens. Let me put this down real quick. Let's see, this is the new cord. Okay, now we'll change the HD output to HDMI 1. That's what records in. So pretty much what happened is I did the restart from safe mode, didn't do anything. Then I did the change screen resolution to 480p, I think it does, and that worked. Finally, I got picture. Now this is happening. So it's obviously a HDMI problem. Let's turn it on. Why did I plug it back in? Record. Okay. Turn on again. It's probably having to reset because I pulled the cord. Yep. This is just ridiculous, man. I just want to play. You know, I've been a PlayStation owner for a while, and this happens to me. Sucks. Alright, come on. So, hopefully we get a little luck here. Screen looks a little choppy. So I'm going to make sure that the back of my TV HDMI output is put in very securely, just to make sure. Okay, it's really tight. So run through the Wi-Fi again. Put the password in, give me a second. This is where it messed up last time, for whatever reason. Don't have a PlayStation camera. So it looks like it seems to be working, but it's obvious by this that the HDMI cord has a some kind of failure rate. I don't know what it is. If not the HDMI cord, the HDMI port itself, as people have been saying quite a bit. So I think that's right. Yeah, that's right. Accept. Start now. I'm actually pretty excited that this is working right now, but I'm also scared at the same time since it's been messing up quite a bit. Okay, So some background information, since it's working now, I'm pretty happy. Um, what happened is I got the blue out of death, fiddled with it a little bit, nothing happened, nothing worked. When I tried to use safe mode, it would just turn off instead of going to safe mode. I called Sony, they told me they're gonna send me a box in the mail. It still has not arrived. I called like Wednesday or something like that, and now it's Saturday night. But they said that a box would arrive. You know, it's 1 day shipping. I put my PS4 in there only, not any cords, nothing. Send it to them. They fix it. They don't give me a new one, since mine's defective. I deserve a new system, in my opinion. But they don't give me a new one. They fix it. They send it back. Which, you know, that hasn't been done yet. But I got my PS4 to work. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be making a detailed video of how I did this. If you guys don't understand what I really did. But, you know, hopefully this is going to keep my system working in working condition. If you guys can, go grab a HDMI cord, a monster cord or something like that, and use that, see if it works, since as you guys see, my HDMI cord is working that I used on my PS3, but the PS4 cord that came with the PS4 is not working at all. So just for a quick second, I'm going to try and just kind of push the HDMI cord in and see what happens. You know, it's very sensitive, as we just saw with the cord. I touched it and it pretty much failed. Let's see if I can push it in a little bit more just to make sure it's secure. Okay. Well, there you have it. Guys, I literally barely touched it. I was pushing it in and this happened. I'm put the phone down, try to fix it real quick. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with it, I'm not gonna touch it, nothing. Hopefully this is a fix. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, thank you. Have you been listening to me the whole time and seeing the PS4 fail epically? Fucking troll.